Hello everyone! Today we're going on a grand adventure with makeup. Not the heavy, complicated kind. Think fresh, dewy, and natural. Picture a lovely morning in the garden. Soft light, a bit of dew, and a healthy glow. That's the look we want. Radiant, happy, and effortless. This isn't about hiding. It's about letting your natural beauty shine. The dewy look is perfect for any day. Whether you're running errands or just enjoying your morning. It suits everyone, no matter your age or skin type. The goal? Your best skin, not a mask. We're just adding a few highlights like sculpting with light. People should say, "You look well," not "what a lot of makeup." So gather your favorite products. This process is easy, quick, and fun. We'll go step by step, just like building a clever invention. No need to worry, this routine won't go haywire. You'll have plenty of time for your toast and jam. Your face is the canvas. We're creating a masterpiece of freshness. Let's get started on this cracking makeup adventure. It's going to be a grand day out for your face. Ready? Let's begin. Let's make your skin look its happiest. Choosing the right products is like picking the perfect trousers. Comfort is key. For a dewy look, reach for lightweight creams and liquids that hydrate and let your skin breathe. Start with a tinted moisturizer BB or CC cream, just enough to even out your skin tone. It should feel like you're wearing nothing at all. Cream blush is your friend. It melts in for a natural, happy flush. Cream highlighter adds a soft, gentle sheen. Think morning sunshine on your cheekbones. These creamy products are the secret to a glowing, healthy look. For lips, choose a tinted balm for a hint of color and comfort. All these products work together to create a fresh, dewy finish. Remember, moisture is your best friend for this look. Keep it light, keep it airy. Your skin will thank you. Let's get glowing. Simple, effective, and comfortable, just like the right pair of trousers. Ready for the next step? Before makeup, prep your canvas. Clean, happy skin is essential. Wash your face with a gentle cleanser to remove dirt but keep the good oils. Follow with a moisturizer that suits your skin type. Rich for dry, lightweight for oily. Pat it in and let it sink for a minute. This hydrated base makes everything else look better and last longer. If you want an extra boost, add a hydrating serum before moisturizer. Think of this as laying a strong foundation for your masterpiece. Don't rush. Give your skin the care it deserves. Happy, hydrated skin is the real secret to a dewy look. Makeup is just the finishing touch. Prep well and your natural beauty will shine. Let's move on to the fun part. Your skin will thank you and your makeup will look cracking. Ready for the next step? Now let's even out your skin tone. No heavy mask, just a natural finish. Pick a foundation or tinted moisturizer that matches your skin. Test on your jawline. Less is more. Start with a small amount and blend with fingers or a damp sponge. Focus only where you need coverage. Redness, blemishes, or dark circles. Let your natural skin and freckles show through. For extra help, use a creamy concealer. Just a tiny dot, pat it in gently. The goal is skin that looks like your skin, only better. No thick cracking contraptions here, just a perfected dewy canvas. A light touch makes all the difference. Keep it sheer, keep it real. Your base is done. Fresh, glowing, and wonderfully you. Let's add some color. Remember, spot treat, don't cover everything. This is how you get that effortless, radiant look. Ready for blush and highlight? Let's go. Time for the fun part, adding color and glow. Cream blush gives a natural, healthy flush. Dab it on the apples of your cheeks and blend upwards. Start with a little, you can always add more. Next, a cream or liquid highlighter for that dewy sheen. Apply to the high points, cheekbones, bridge of the nose, and Cupid's bow. Pat it in gently, no rubbing. The goal is a subtle, lit-from-within glow, not a disco ball. A little goes a long way. With blush and highlighter, your face looks fresh, plump, and full of life. It's a simple step with a big impact. You're glowing already. Keep it soft and natural. This is the secret to looking effortlessly radiant. Let's finish up with the final touches. Your skin should look like it's glowing from the inside. Ready for brows, eyes, and lips? Let's shape up nicely. Onward! Let's pull the look together with a few finishing touches. For brows, use a simple gel, clear or tinted, and brush hairs upward for a fuller, natural look. Skip heavy eyeshadow, just add a coat or two of mascara for soft, fluttery lashes. This opens up your eyes and keeps things bright. For lips, a tinted balm or sheer lipstick close to your natural color is perfect. Dab it on for a soft, pretty effect. No sharp lines needed. Keep lips looking hydrated and fresh. If you need powder, use a tiny bit only on the T-zone to control shine. Leave cheeks dewy. Less powder means more glow. Your makeup is now shaping up beautifully. Simple touches make all the difference. You're almost done. This look is all about freshness and comfort. No fuss, just a radiant you. Ready to lock it all in? Let's make it last. You're looking smashing. Just a few more tips to keep you glowing all day. Let's finish strong. On to the final step. Your dewy look is complete. Now let's make it last. Good skin prep already helps, but a dewy setting spray will lock everything in place. Spritz it over your face and let it dry naturally. If you get shiny during the day, use blotting papers instead of more powder. They absorb oil without disturbing your makeup. Creamy products are easy to touch up. Just dab on more blush or balm if needed. Your look stays fresh and real, never cakey. Work with your skin, not against it. Enjoy your day looking and feeling wonderful. You don't need a fix-o-matic, just a few smart tricks. Stay glowing, stay comfortable. You're ready for anything. Thanks for joining this grand day out for your face. Go on, show off that effortless glow. Until next time, keep shining. Keep